Hi everyone, I hope you are doing fantastic. I am in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, and today we are headed to the Thanh Market. The Thanh Market is a historic and iconic marketplace in the center of Ho Chi Minh City in District 1. It is a day market as well as a night market, and there's so many tourists and locals coming here to shop for fresh fruits and vegetables, shirts, and anything really, you name it. There's also a food court. Let's go see what they have. We have made it to the market, and right away, there's stores left and right. There's little shops everywhere. There must be hundreds of little vendors here, and if you want knockoff branded bags, this is one of the places to get them. Also, everyone is trying to sell you something. Oh, I particularly like this shirt, Saigonia. Oh man, I wonder what this place was like during COVID.
Hello.
Hello.
Only one.
They've got some coffees, candies, watches, beans and dried shrimps. They have food stalls as well. This is their food court. Hello.
Hello, Madam Para Kadudo Bindo sa.
I think this selling is working. Thank you. Ooh, char siu noodle soup. That looks good. Wonton noodle soup, beef noodle soup. Even though it's hot, I can go for that right now. Oh, porridge, pork leg udon soup. That fried beef noodle looks good too. I love how they have pictures everywhere. Thank you. Can I have the pork noodle soup? Yes, well, just one. Yes, thank you. No, just this one, please. Thank you. No, thank you.
Hello, Mango.
I know, that's okay. Thank you. Just the pho for me. It's warm in here, but there are so many fans around me, so it should be fine. I am so excited to try this. This is going to be my first pho here in Vietnam. Come on. Thank you. I just got the pho and it looks really good. We'll add some lime. And maybe some hoisin sauce too. And let's try it. I definitely need some of that broth. Wow. Yeah, it's very good. It's so different from the pho's that I've had in Canada. I love the green onions in there. They put a lot too. Some pork. That is delicious. I think what makes it so delicious is the bit of fat that's in the pork. They give you about 5 pieces of big pork meat as well, so that's really good. The We got the last piece of pork meat. They give you a piece of wet towel. It just smells so good. So in total, that was 60,000 Vietnamese dong. Come on, 60.
60 Kisu 2 thau.
What, 5 more? It says the total is 60,000 Vietnamese dong, but because I use the towel, it's 65,000. She's charging me extra for using the towel.
Hello, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
If there's anyone watching this who's from Vietnam and is familiar with this market, please let me know if I just got scammed or that is a normal thing to do. Let's see what else is around. Hello.
Pork chop, broken rice.
They have fried chicken, grilled pork, spring rolls, grilled pork chop on rice. That looks good. Pork chop broken rice with fried egg. That looks really good too.
So fried noodle.
Noodles and banh mi's. Can I have this, please?
Yes.
Thank you. I guess I'll get a drink as long as it's canned. Should I go for a Fanta or a 7-Up? I think I'm gonna go for a Fanta. But that'll make me thirsty. Maybe 7-Up. Okay, I'll go for a 7-Up. Wow, these shrimps are massive. Thank you. Got my Fanta or my 7-Up. They got my food ready quite quickly. Here we go. Thank you. Oh, that looks delicious. Paired with my 7-Up, that's going to be a good meal. Just make sure to wipe the can. Ooh, that is nice. We've got the fried egg, the grilled pork, and some fresh carrots and cucumbers. Smells really good. The pork smells sweet. My first bite. There's some sweetness of the pork, crunchiness of the carrots. We'll have some fried egg with that. That is delicious. They just gave me a towel that I'm not going to use this time. And let's see if I get charged extra. And the last bite. My total should be 80, 20 for the can, and 60 for the fried rice. Come on. Come on. At this stall, they gave me my 20 right away. They didn't even look to see if I used my wet towel. They just gave me my change back right away. So that was really nice. We just lost power and everyone went, oh, hi. Thank you. Now we're just gonna walk off some calories. I don't even think I walked 5% of the building yet. Oh, there's an outside part. Well, we can walk through it. Ah, okay. This is an interesting part. Well, we're gonna walk back inside the building. They have a lot of nice things here actually. There's some clothes, some shawls that feel really nice and pretty good quality. They've got some nice fabric and textiles. The vendors here really try to maximize their space. Some are sleeping, some just keep selling. This is one of my favorite bags right here. I wonder how much it is. How much this one? How much?
You want buy now?
Maybe
700.
700. 700. Now I gotta think about how much that is. I know it in Canadian, but not in. Thank you. I know 700 in Canadian, but not US.
Hello.
Hello.
Coffee.
Hello.
Mua gì em?
Hello. Even though everyone's been trying to sell aggressively, they have been really friendly and everyone just keeps saying hi, hello, and hello. See? It's really nice. The coffee beans that they're selling here smells so good. It is very tempting to buy some. Oh, these cups are really cool. I think these are bookends. Hello. Thank you. These are nice chess pieces. They're all Vietnamese characters.
Stone.
Stone. Dyson.
Not the look like Dyson.
It looks like Dyson.
No, this one exactly.
How much? How much that one?
350 I think.
Oh, 350.
I got cheaper. 180.
180, okay.
But the air,
It's
a
not-
little. Not but a little.
Oh, yeah.
And this one strong but only short time.
Yeah.
This one can.
I want the
have
Dyson.
Okay, I give it.
350?
Yes.
How about lower price?
Second.
Secret? It's a little expensive and I didn't bargain too much, but she was really friendly and I'm getting a new one.
Salamat.
300. Salamat. Come on.
Yeah,
Come on. Thank you.
Latte.
Bye. She was really nice. I didn't bargain too much, but I got my electric fan, my Dyson electric fan, and I'm happy with it. We are going to leave the market now, get some fresh air. Hello.
Hi, miss.
Can I give you 500?
Oh, yeah.
Is it okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's open the fan. Hopefully there's already some charge. It's so cute. That is well worth the 300,000 that I paid. It's super strong. It blows really strong. That feels really good. This is what the box looks like. So if you're in Vietnam and you're in Ho Chi Minh and you come across Ben Thanh Market and need an electric fan, I highly recommend this one. And it's got a digital screen too, which is really nice. It shows the air volume and the percentage of the battery. Yeah. One of the things that I love about being here in Asia particularly is the variety of fruits. Rambutan, which you don't see often in North America. Oh, I love these as well. Some mangosteens. And I think we're going to get some mangoes. Hello. What is this one? Sweet mango. Okay.
This is sour.
Sour. Okay. Could I have one of these, please? Thank you. What is that? What is that one called? The green one? Custard apple. Yes, it's very good. Mangao. What's this one? Mako. Is it sweet? Very sweet. Can I try one?
Try that.
Yeah, sure. Try that one too. So 60. I give you 200. Thank you. Yeah.
40, 140.
Thank you. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. Okay, let's try the sweet mangoes first. I got them for 30 dong. Oh my gosh. It smells really good. I might have to go back again and get some more. They smell really sweet. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. I'm going back. Wow. That is one of the best mangoes I've ever eaten. That was amazing. Let's try these ones. I'm not sure what they're called. I asked the lady, but I think she said Mekong. Let's give it a try. She said they're very sweet. I've actually had these before in Philippines. It's a little bit grainy, and it is kind of sweet. That's good. And that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you would like to see more, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.